You only came back. You rock. And just in time, because, I mean, feedback. Because, I mean, you know this guy? He's basically glued to the stage by now. Do you even leave between parties?
No. I'm contractually obliged to come here every year, so.
Oh, so there's like a big freezer in the basement, and then...
Yeah, that's where I live.
That explains the skin temperature. Okay. I think you're still tripping over there. So, Hoffman, legend. Teo, also legend. Mod legends, PT1210 legends, and they're going to present us with two Amigas playing real mods from real hardware for 2 hours, I guess. Woo! And I'm out of words. Help me out here. Let's get started.
Let's rock!